गुजरते दिनों का नहीं बल्कि यादगार लम्हों का नाम है जिंदगी. Good afternoon to one and all present out here. This noon holds a special significance as we gather for the final assembly of our class here in school. This assembly is not just a goodbye, but a reflection of the incredible journey we have had, cherishing the moments we have created, and celebrating the growth that we have all witnessed together. For us, our school has been more than a learning place. It has been our second home, shaping us into individuals that we are today. Every corner, every classroom of this school holds countless stories of laughter, challenges, and friendships that will last with us forever.
As we stand at the threshold of this new beginning, we carry with us the values, lessons, and memories the school has given us. While it's hard to say goodbye, it's a promise to carry forward the legacy of this institution wherever we go. Let's make this last assembly a meaningful celebration for the bonds we have built and the paths that lie ahead.
Now please stand up and take your position. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
Every morning starts with a new page in our story. So let's find a spark of wisdom to carry with us today. Please welcome Jay to present the thought of the day.
Deference is a recognition of another dignity, wisdom, and authority, offered not as a submission but as a mark of remark and respect and understanding. Thank you.
Our next performance is a skit that brings to life the timeless tales of gods and heroes from Indian mythology.
The Pandavas and the Kauravas stand on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, preparing for a war that will decide the fate of a kingdom. Among the greatest warriors stands Arjun, but today his heart is heavy. Facing an army filled with his own kin, his teachers and friends, Arjun questions his duty and the morality of fighting his own family.
How can I wage my war against my own kin, my uncles, my cousins, my teachers? How can I bring harm to them, even if they stand against us?
स्थिता अर्जुन केशव केवला कीर्तनाधम नष्ट विचार मय कथा. This means for a warrior there is no greater duty than a righteous war.
Arjun, this is no time for doubt. They have wronged us and taken our kingdom. We must fight to restore our honor.
Brother, I understand your sorrow. I too wish for peace, but our attempts to avoid war have failed. Now, if we don't stand up for justice, then who will?
But Yudhishthir, at what cost? Am I to kill those who raised me? Is this truly dharma to bring death to my own family?
अव्यकंतम व्यक्ति मापनम मन्यता तमसम गतिमम नान्यमम कर्तारम व्ययम. This means people who lack spiritual wisdom may see Krishna as an ordinary person, failing to recognize his divine nature.
Seeing Arjun's turmoil, Lord Krishna, his charioteer and guide, steps forward. His face is calm and compassionate, but there is wisdom in his gaze.
Arjun, I understand your pain, but this war is more than just family ties. It is a battle of righteousness. So stand up and do your duty as a warrior and protector of Dharma.
But Krishna, how can killing be righteous? How can I bring myself to destroy those I love?
Arjun, think not of who you fight, but what you fight for. Justice, peace, and righteousness.
Bhim, moved by Krishna's words, speaks up, hoping to instill courage in his brother.
Krishna speaks wisely, Arjun. You are our greatest warrior and we need you to lead us.
Arjun, we all carry pain in this battle, but I believe in Krishna's word. He is wise beyond our understanding. Let us place our trust in him.
I am still afraid, Krishna. I don't know if I have the strength to do this.
Krishna looks at Arjun with a soft smile, understanding the depth of his struggle. He places a hand on Arjun's shoulder, speaking with kindness.
Arjun, the greatest strength lies not in the body, but in the mind and the soul. Trust in me and I will guide you. This is not just your battle. It is a battle of Dharma itself. Sometimes true respect and strength lie in yielding to wisdom, even when we do not fully understand it.
You are right, Krishna. I may not understand it fully, but I trust in you. I'll set aside my doubts and follow your guidance. For you see farther than I can.
Arjun, by trusting in me, you have chosen the path of Dharam. Let us go forward with your mind clear and your purpose strong.
With Krishna's guidance, Arjun rises, holding his bow with newfound resolve. His inner conflict fades, replaced by clarity and purpose. The great warrior is ready to fulfill his duty.
Scene 2, later in the battle.
The battle rages on, and as the day draws to a close, the Pandavas gather around Arjun. His face is calmer, wiser, a reflection of the lessons he has learned.
Brother, your courage today was incredible. You fought not with anger but with a clear purpose.
And that's thanks to Krishna's wisdom. By trusting him, you became unstoppable.
It is true. Yielding to Krishna's guidance was the best choice I could make. Sometimes respecting someone else's wisdom is the greatest strength we can show.
Krishna, the source of this wisdom, looks upon the Pandavas with pride, reminding them of the lessons they have learned.
Arjun, true greatness lies in knowing when to lead and when to yield. Deference to wisdom, especially when it serves a higher purpose, is clearly a path of strength, not weakness.
The Pandavas bow their head in respect to Krishna, understanding the power of deference and the wisdom it brings. In yielding to a higher wisdom, Arjun has found his strength not just as a warrior but as a protector of Dharma.
The skit teaches us about respecting and yielding someone else's guidance in the moments of doubt can lead us to greater path and strength.
Thank you.
Please give a warm round of applause for welcoming our group discussion participants. Let's all listen attentively as we are bound to learn something new today.
To be humble to superiors is duty, to equals courtesy, and to inferiors nobleness. This famous quote by Benjamin Franklin inspires us that deference, when exercised appropriately, reflects strengths of character and respect among different social roles. In social and philosophical contexts, deference refers to respectful yielding to the judgment, will, opinion of another person.
Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, and loyalty is returned. Deference involves recognizing the value of another's experience, knowledge, or status and willingly adjusting one's own actions or viewpoint in response. Deference is considered as a way of showing respect, building social cohesion, and maintaining harmony within a group or society.
True humility is not thinking less of yourself, it is thinking of yourself less. Deference to those with greater expertise or knowledge can be a pathway for learning. By respecting the insights of others, especially in mentorship or educational settings, an individual can gain knowledge and skills, enhancing personal and professional development. Deference helps maintain a healthy balance between personal autonomy and authority.
Deference is the most complicated, the most indirect, and most elegant of all compliments. This quote by William Shenstone highlights how deference, when genuinely offered, can serve as a graceful and sincere honor to others. In societies or groups, it helps in maintaining social order and cohesion. It promotes a culture of mutual respect where individuals can recognize their roles and contributions.
However, there are significant downsides to excessive or blind deference. When individuals defer too readily or without critical thinking, it often leads to harmful outcomes.
This tendency to conform authority without question is not limited to controlled experiment but can also be observed in real life world. For example, in corporate settings, an employee may defer to a boss directives, even if those directives include unethical practices like mistreating employees or manipulating financial record. This fear of reprisal or desire for assumption or approval that the boss knows the best can compel individuals to engage in behavior that contradicts their values.
In such cases, deference transforms from a positive social tool into a mechanism for perpetuating abuse, corruption, or injustice. It can be a stifle, decent, discourage logical thinking, and allows harmful norms to go unchallenged. That is why it is essential for an individual to strike a balance.
Ultimately, the challenge lies in navigating when and to whom we should defer. Healthy deference is marked by a thoughtful discerning approach where the individual weighs the credibility of the authority, the context of the situation, and their own internal values before deciding to yield. In this way, deference can be a powerful tool for collaboration and respect without affecting individuals' integrity. Thank you.
Up next, a mesmerizing instrumental performance by some students of our class. Let's welcome them with applause as they showcase their talent with harmony and rhythm.
sometimes cannot. You are in for a special treat as some talented students of our class are going to present a soulful song.
Thank you.
of expressing emotions and thoughts that reach directly to our hearts. Now we have Anya, who will be presenting a beautiful English poem.
I'm a 12th grader, head high, but I ain't too proud to look someone in the eye, to nod my head, to listen close, cause there's power in knowing what someone knows. I'm not too cool, I'm not too proud to stand back when the wisdom's loud. In the halls of life, I'm a student sure, but there's a bigger lesson I can't ignore. They say, respect your elders, but it's more than that. It's respect for the grind, respect for the fact that we all got stories, we all got scars, we all got dreams, and sometimes they are far. So, I'm not a student just of books and grades. I'm a student of people, their hopes, their shades. So I listen with care, with respect in my heart, cause deference is the art of knowing you're just one part. So, let's bow our heads, but not in defeat. Let's rise together, stand on our feet. Cause the truth is, I'm growing and you are too. So, deference ain't passive, it's a breakthrough. We all got value, we all got voice. In deference, we find a better choice. To listen, to learn, to respect what's real, to honor the moment and let our hearts heal. Deference, yeah, that's how we rise. Not by taking it all, but by lifting the prize. So here's to the power of giving and taking. In deference, we find the world we are making. Thank you.
Classical dance is not just an art form, it's a way of expressing emotions, culture and stories through movement. So today we are in visual treat to our talented student to take up the stage.
जलं प्रवाहपावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकामड्डमड्डमन्निनादमड्डमल्वयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवं जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्बनिर्झरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमोधरी ज्वलल्ललाटमट्टभावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिं प्रतीक्षणम् धराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्तसन्तति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरणी निरुद्धदुद्धरापति क्वचिद्दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं ॐ नमः शिवाय.
To present the emotions beautifully, today we have with us Lavit, who will present a heartfelt, self-written Hindi poem on the theme of farewell, which will surely touch our hearts as it reflects the bittersweet nature of parting ways.
क्या लिखूं इन लाल दीवारों पर, निकल जाएंगे कुछ महीनों में हम भी इन दीवारों के बाहर। पहले दिन रोए थे ना अंदर आने को, अंदर जो आए कोस रहे थे ना इन दीवारों को। फिर क्यों टपकाओगे आंसू बाहर निकलने पर, आएंगी ना यादें इन साथ बैठे चेहरों से बिछड़ने पर। वो चलती क्लास में लंच खाना, दोस्त के बिना बताए छुट्टी लेने पर उससे रूठ जाना, दोस्त की शैतानियों पर खुद फंस जाना, वो कॉरिडोर में एक दूसरे के पीछे दौड़ते जाना। और अब एक कोने में बैठना और इन यादों को याद करते जाना। क्यों? क्योंकि वो क्या है ना, अब हमें इन दीवारों के बाहर कदम रखना है। जिनके हर दिन साथ बैठा करते थे उन यारों से दूर चले जाना है। जिन टीचर्स की डांट पर रूठ जाया करते थे उन्हीं की दी सीख को याद कर अब हमें आगे बढ़ना है। वो क्या है ना, अब हमें इन दीवारों के बाहर कदम रखना है। खूबसूरत है दुनिया बाहर भी, मगर उस खूबसूरती में ये लाल दीवारें नहीं। यादगार पल बनेंगे आगे भी, मगर उन पलों में ये बचपना नहीं। गलतियां करेंगे हम आगे भी, मगर उन गलतियों में ये मासूमियत नहीं। शैतानियां करेंगे हम आगे भी, मगर उन शैतानियों में वो स्कूल वाला खौफ नहीं। खूबसूरत है दुनिया आगे भी, मगर उस खूबसूरती में ये लाल दीवारें नहीं। अब क्या करें, निकलना तो पड़ेगा ही, तो चलो निकलते हुए कुछ यादें और बनाते हैं। जिनसे खफा है उन्हें माफ़ कर जाते हैं। सभी अध्यापकों को हाथ जोड़ शुक्रिया कह जाते हैं। जो गलतियां कर दी थी बचपने में, उनकी माफ़ी मांग लेते हैं। चलो अब हम इन लाल दीवारों को अलविदा कह देते हैं। चलो अब हम इन लाल दीवारों को अलविदा कहते हैं। थैंक यू।
To mark the end of a beautiful school life, we present before you an adieu performance. Once upon a time, in a land known as Sri Ganganagar, a young student like any other enrolled in Nosge, a prestigious school, starting the core part of his journey, his school life. And now, we'll have a peek on the effect Nosge has on people. At first, the pupil felt alienated towards the environment, but the clouds hovered above him with a gentle shade as teachers look after us as their own, offering wisdom at every step of the way. Further along, the canvas of his life was filled with vibrant colors of rainbow, which is our Nosge spirit, rich in opportunities and dreams. A few years passed by. As he stepped onto his adolescent age, he encountered the blades of grass, representing the seniors of the school, swaying with the breeze, but never breaking, inspiring him to weather the storms in his life bravely. Mentors, like the trees, nurturing and molding confident and assertive individuals, fostering a holistic development of the student. Along the way, the student was greeted by flowers, each one a symbol of friendship from diverse places. Some were bright and gold, like the cheerful souls coming forward to help, while some were quiet and receptive, yet to be blossomed. The friendship bloomed as the years rolled by, never withering, echoing stories of laughter and happiness. Like the trees, our teachers are always molding and shaping us. The student resides in all of us sitting here today. As we bid farewell, we look back at countless memories that this school has gifted us. Nosge has not only been a place of learning, but also a sanctuary of joy, growth, and camaraderie. It has taught us valuable lessons, shaped our dreams, and molded us into better individuals. This year, we witnessed a profound loss, one that left an irreplaceable void in our hearts and our classrooms. Dearest Manish sir, you were a mentor, a guide, and a source of inspiration. Your lessons will forever echo in our lives, and your spirit will live on in the values and dreams you instilled in us. Though you are no longer with us, your impact will endure. The last piece of our fairy tale singing tree, the heart element, portrays that every beat of heart will continue to honor you. Rest in peace, Manish sir.
Dance is a universal language that speaks directly to the soul. Now a group of talented students will present a beautiful group dance.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दे हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दे बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी। सूरज की बाहों में और नई जिंदगी, गिरने भी सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। जो एक बदली ताल है, आहा, यूं ही आया ख्याल है, आहा। मांगते हमें जिंदगी जुबा, क्यों न चले करके हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, ये जिंदगी गई है और नहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी, गिरने सांसों में बातों में रोशनी।
रात समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, फूंक मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चंपर। खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर खोले पर। मस्त घड़ी की भी रखी हुई सुई
you.